What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we have some good deals for you. First up, we're going to go to Home Depot, then we're going to mosey on over to Acme Tools. But I want to just address that Home Depot is having a special buy today, so that's what these deals are right here. However, some of these are long-lasting and have alternatives, but we'll get into that. So first up, let's start with this whole row right here, okay? And look, I'm actually at the end of this video, but I'm going to ask you guys, if you appreciate the work that I do, could you subscribe? Let's get to 20,000. We almost there. We can get to 20,000 subs today. Let's do it. So let's take this Jigsaw first. This Jigsaw is normally $199. All right, so they are shaving $30 off and making it $169, and you get a free battery, which is a great deal. However, all right, it can be bought individually here as a BOGO. So I know what you're thinking, well, that special buy, I think you just showed us is a BOGO. So let me pull this up. All right. As you can see, first of all, keep in mind it's $110.62, okay? So let me just show you what the listing's going to look like. This is what it will look like as if you buy it individually. $199 for the Jigsaw, which is its regular price, and then you add the 5-amp-hour battery to the deal, and this will break down to be $110, and then the battery will be what, $89 and some change, or $90 and some change, whatever. Or you could buy them together and keep the battery for $169. I think the $169 is a great price, but if you didn't want to do that and you just wanted the Jigsaw, you could do the BOGO and cancel the battery, and not pick up the battery and get this for $110. If that's what you want to do, don't go to this listing where you see $169. But again, this is a great price for what you're getting. Moving on over, all these right here. You see this Milwaukee M12 with the high output starter kit. This oscillating tool, the fuel oscillating tool with the M12 starter kit can all be purchased here for a discount for $229, or again, you can come over here and get this and then add whatever tool you want, and then you don't have to keep both of them. It'll be itemized, you can return one and keep the other. So I just want to give you those two options. If you want the batteries and all of that, then obviously go with the special buys of the day, because they're shaving $20 off that $249 price. Same goes for other M12, the other M12 starter kit that comes with the XC 4-amp-hour battery and a CP 2.0. Honestly, this is really what you want to do. This is really what you want to do. If you had M12 batteries, you really kind of just want to convert them all over to these HOs for real. So I actually do recommend getting these kits, because you want those batteries. And if you didn't have these tools, this is a great way to get in there. So with that said, let's go ahead and move on. We have this Smart Tech flashlight. I talked about this flashlight the last time it was on special buy, and I compared it to the O-Light, and I was like, look, the O-Light is going to be better. It didn't say it was 8,000 lumens, though. I don't think I even own an 8,000 lumen light at all, except for that big giant Metabo HPT that I just got from Lowe's that turned out didn't have a lifetime warranty. But this is a unique situation right here, because it's also a car battery jumper. It looks super small. I don't know how big this is, but one of you in the comments was like, well, that O-Light can't jump your car. And I was like, what? Jump your car? Yeah, this thing could jump your car. And it also can charge, has USB ports. It can charge other devices. This is probably the way you also would charge this. It has your on off button, and then yeah, it's a whole flashlight. Read the reviews though, because most people don't recommend it. But I would say that the concept is pretty smart. So that was $79.99 if you wanted to try that out. Moving on, I just wanted to bring this up. You guys know I'm not a fan of buying batteries or kits and stuff, especially when they don't come with a tool. But these Ridgid octane batteries were seemingly discontinued, and now they're back. And it's hard to find these brand new, these 3-amp-hour batteries. It doesn't matter. These Bluetooth octane batteries, these are the most potent, powerful batteries that Ridgid makes. Their newer high outputs aren't as powerful as these. So, and it even comes with the nicer charger. So if you have any like that Ridgid high torque impact wrench that's actually better than the Milwaukee 2767, but you don't have any octane batteries, here you go right here, because then that if you use these, it'll blow the socks off that Milwaukee. So there you go. I wanted to show you that just because they don't pop up. I haven't seen them at Home Depot in years, so at least a year. So moving on, another thing that was on one of the special buys of the day was this kit right here, this Ryobi. Comes with the oscillating tool, a drill, a reciprocating saw, and 2 high output batteries, a 4 amp hour high output battery and a 2 amp hour high output battery. I just wanted to say that instead of doing that, check this one out. For the extra $20, you get a hammer drill, you get an impact driver, and it has modes and everything. You get the same reciprocating saw, the oscillating tool, you get a flashlight, a 7 1/4 inch circular saw, plus the same high output batteries. Getting way more for your money for an extra $20. I mean, if you want to do this, then just pay the extra $20 and get that. Yes, for some of you might have known and saw that Home Depot glitched like a month ago, and this was on a BOGO, and you could have got this for this whole thing for $155. But don't hold out for something like that again. That was a glitch. This will never be $155 again unless somebody messes up. So if you thought that other deal was interesting, just go ahead and get this, because $299 isn't terrible for all that you're getting, because it's all brushless stuff. Moving on, I just want to show you again. This is another one of the special buys for $159. This angle grinder and this battery. And again, you can buy this on a BOGO. Okay, so you don't have to keep the battery. If you just wanted to get the grinder, this will break down to be $110. Just like that Jigsaw. But unlike the Jigsaw, this is $159, where the Jigsaw is $169. So this is an even sweeter deal if you want to keep the battery. For me, honestly, I would not hack this. I would keep the battery. This is a sweet deal. I mean, you're getting a lot for your money in this. This would just be even better if this is a 6 amp hour high output battery. But, you know, it is what it is. Moving on, for the last deal over at Home Depot, we have this on a special buy today, this DeWALT drill. Comes with 2 1.3 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag, okay, for $89. You might be thinking, man, that's not bad. That's not bad. Those batteries suck, but I have batteries. Just hold your horses for a second, okay? Just hear me out. All right, would you rather do this? I know you might want to do this if you're all in on DeWALT, if you bleed yellow. All right, but if you're a little more open-minded, you can come over here to Acme Tools, which, by the way, has Rakuten, right? You sign up for Rakuten, use the link in the description, get a bonus $30 in addition to this 2% cash back, right? So you're getting saving even more money. But for $99, an extra $10, or not even an extra $10, you're going to at least do Rakuten, right? You'll at least do some cash back. So it's not even, let's call it $9. You'll get this flex drill. Neither one's a hammer drill, but this flex drill comes with 2 2.5 amp hour batteries. Okay, and this drill produces 750 inch-pounds of torque. That's a lot. That's a whole lot for a little drill. I don't really know how small it is, but I'm just saying dollars. If we comparing dollars, that's a whole lot. I was trying to look for the RPM. 2,200 RPM. That is no slouch. Now, if we come back over here and look at this DeWALT, we talking about 340 unit watts out. Okay, all right. Well, I don't like that they're not consistent with everybody else, but I guarantee the RPMs is like, I was gonna say 1,900, 1,650. Okay, so far better drill, far better setup. I mean, what you gonna do? You really bleeding yellow that bad that you gonna take a worse tool for, a few dollars less, literally a few dollars? Come on, you want to do that flex. Just be careful of them leaky batteries though, because that's a problem. Moving on, I showed you guys this last week, right? Okay. And I just wanted to, and I had to let y'all know, look, this is the, heavy duty rolling stand and all that, but this is not the DW 740 91 RS that everybody covets. This is an 8 1/4 inch table saw that does not, from the factory, take dado blades. You got to hack it a little bit to take dado blades. But this is the bad boy you want. $549, right? This is $628. You know this is a good deal because everything about this over here is inferior to this. Better stand. bigger, better table saw. And if you use code YELLOW, you get an extra $75 off, making this thing $474. You don't see this that cheap that often at all. So yeah, don't forget your Rakuten. Your 2% cash back on $474 is gonna be almost $10. All right. So there you go with that. And that is it. That's it for today. This right here, I'm gonna let these marinate right quick. You don't want to let you see what that is, because I'm still building that case up. So we'll probably talk about that tomorrow. Hopefully this was helpful. If you got any value from the video, I ask you to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.